Hello everyone. I'm going to dive into replacing the strut and ABS sensor and the rotor and brake pads on the Mini. So join me. Oh, that's tight. All right, well, after looking at that, I realized I have to cut that spring. So I went and got my grinder, hence the safety glasses. So I gotta cut the dang spring. I'm not sure where to cut it, or what's gonna happen when I cut it, because I've never cut a coil spring before. So, no time like the present. First of all, we'll see if we can remotely get that in there. Yeah, we can. Okay. Still alive. All right. Now, let's look here. Don't touch that. That's going to be hot. Okay, so we got that's nice and loose now. That's good. All right. almost get it out of the way. Oh, let's see, what do I got? Or I just keep cutting it. At least I got all the pressure off of it. Okay, that was what I was worried about. Was the pressure. Pressure, you don't know pressure. Exactly, alright. Didn't nick the control arm too bad. Alright. I ain't touching that. Okay. So, what do we do from here? We gotta ruminate on that. Alright, I got the spring, what's left of it, held up with the zip tie. I don't know how well that's gonna last, but I gotta figure out how to pry this other spring out of here, this other piece. It went down there with some force. And it came right out. Okay. So that is the, okay, here we are. How do I want to do that? I'll have to cut that off in pieces, I think. Okay. Let's do something here, even if it's wrong. Can I tell you that's still a little bit warm? Is still good. Good. Okay. And I gotta see if I can cut that. Get that out of the way. So we're gonna tie wrap everything down. Try to keep it out of the way. Safety spectacles. We will move this, you guys, because, well, sparks. There we go. Ah. Oh, that's loud. I bet that's hot. Oh, gotta get a new grinding wheel. Okay. Let that cool down. Why can't you fall all the way down? Booger. Woo! Almost got me. Woohoo! I gotta see if I can get that bolt and this bolt to break loose. I found my impact extensions and a 14 millimeter, so I'm going to give it a whirl. There we go. That's one. There. Vert to vert. That's 13. Is it really 13? Yep, that's 13. There we go. She's loose, boss. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. There we go. Okay, getting this bolt in was a booger. I think I finally got it started. Let's see. Looks like it's going. So, I had my leg up here over that and pulling down and pushing on that at the same time. That's hilarious. But I can't use any video because I said some words. We will make it tight. There we go. Okay, well that's going to do it for this video. I was going to try to do the brake rotors and pads and sensors and all that, but it's getting a little late in the afternoon to start tackling that. But anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers as an initial goal, and every thumbs up and subscription helps immensely. But with that, I will see you later.